Hello guys, welcome to my channel Beauty by Florije. I got this box from Influenster, which is a company where they send you products for YouTube creators and other social medias to do review. Hashtag Mom Life box. I don't know what's in it, but all I know is from Influencer, and it says it's time to share with the world. It's your share with the world. Ooh, lots of stuff. Okay. I see Epsom salt made from lavender. Relax and recover. I have Eva NYC Therapy Passion Hair Mask. Ooh, can't wait to try this. And also Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer with argan oil and sunflower seed for all hair types. Oh, perfect timing, because I needed this one. And my hair is so dry, and I did use argan oil before from completely another brand. So this is gonna be perfect for me to try. It looks like this. And I'll do videos and I'm hoping on all of them and post it in YouTube for you guys to see. Lemon and ginger twinning London. This is a tea made out of ginger. There you go. $1 off coupon. And this is 100 quinoa tricolor. Boil in a bag, 4 bags. Success. It's a 10-minute receipt. Looks like it's in the box. So I have beauty and stuff to like food. So I can't wait to try these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 products. 6. Vera Wang Embrace. Marigold and Gardenia. This looks like this. And I have another coupon from Eva NYC, $3 off, it says. And Mommy Life hashtag VoxBox Influencer. And it just gives the pricing of different things here. And social media accounts. And that's it. Influenster.com. Connect your social with us. Boost your influence. And that's it. Discover, review, and share. So I just wanted to do this while I have everything recorded so you guys can see what was in the box with me. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try. I'm mostly excited about the hair spray, the oil. I've never had an oil in hairspray, so I can't wait to try that. And I will be recording the other ones too, alright? Thank you for watching, and follow me, Beauty by Florije, in Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe. It's in the bottom right of your screen. And if you don't see the logo there to subscribe, just look a little bit further down and you'll see the button subscribe. And stay with me, I'll be updating you. If you like any of this, what you're seeing, or you have a questions, please comment below. Comment if anything that you would change. I love to hear any critics about the video to see, because I'd like to improve better and better every day. So please tell me. And follow me on Instagram, Beauty by Florije. I'm in Twitter, I'm in Facebook, Beauty by Florije, and stay with me here. I will be posting more videos in my YouTube, and if you're new to YouTube, I would love to support each other. So you can go ahead and subscribe me. Don't forget there's a button on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. If not, just look a little bit further down and there will be a button to subscribe. Hey, hugs and kisses from my house to yours. Bye.